Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're putting a spotlight on a wildly popular gadget making the rounds on Amazon right now, the NORDMOND Disinfectant Fogger Machine. If you've spent any time looking for ways to sanitize spaces quickly, you've probably seen devices just like this one popping up. They promise this amazing, professional-grade cleaning experience right in the palm of your hand. But what exactly does a nano steam gun or a ULV atomizer actually do? Well, today, we're going to cut right through all that marketing jargon, look directly at the real specs, and get down to the absolute truth of what this device is, how it works, and whether it actually lives up to the hype.
Be honest for a second. Is your cleaning routine kind of stuck in the past? Are you still manually wiping down every single surface by hand? Or maybe you've tried using one of those super heavy, corded sprayers that keeps you literally tethered to a wall outlet while you awkwardly stretch to reach the corners of a room. Well, that is exactly the problem this device claims to solve. It promises to totally free us from those tiring, restrictive cleaning methods we're all so used to.
Here's our game plan for today. First, we'll meet the fogger. Second, we'll decode the technology behind it. Third, we'll investigate the key features and specs. Fourth, we'll look at what customers actually say. And finally, we'll deliver our final verdict.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1. Meet the NORDMOND Fogger, the cordless solution.
So, the big promise here? Absolute speed and freedom. The manufacturer claims you can literally clean standard-sized rooms in under 5 minutes. This is explicitly designed to be a hassle-free, completely cordless solution. According to the listing, it's not just targeted at homeowners. It's for small business owners, gym operators, barbers, and cleaning pros who need to sanitize spaces super fast without constantly tripping over tangled cords. You just power it on, move freely, and get professional-level results in minutes.
Moving right along to Section 2, decoding the technology. What exactly is a mist?
You see heavy jargon like electrostatic ULV atomization and nano steam in the listing, but what does ULV actually mean for you? Well, it stands for ultra-low volume. Basically, this system takes liquid and turns it into an incredibly fine mist, ranging from 4 to 45 microns. And why is that a big deal? Because it gives you smooth, even distribution. You aren't leaving your surfaces soaking wet. Instead, you get a really nice, dry, streak-free finish.
And the way it delivers this mist is pretty impressive. It shoots a high-volume cold mist that has a spray range of 12 to 20 inches. And because it's a cold mist, there's absolutely zero preheating required. You literally just power it on and start spraying instantly. Plus, it's got this built-in blue light. Sure, it gives the device a sleek, modern look, but it actually has a real purpose. It enhances your visibility so you can perfectly see the fine mist you're laying down.
Okay, let's get into Section 3, key features and specs. It's time to read the fine print, which is something we always love to do in these explainers. Now here's where things get a little interesting, because when you look closely at these Amazon listings, the details don't always match up. If you look at the top highlight bullet points, the manufacturer claims it's rocking a 1500 milliamp hour battery and a 10-ounce container. But if you scroll down into the product description, it suddenly says it's powered by a 1200 milliamp hour battery and has a 13-ounce tank. So which is it, right? The listing completely contradicts itself, but honestly, regardless of the exact number, the device charges via a super convenient USB Type-C port and promises up to 60 to 90 minutes of runtime per charge.
But hey, setting those quirky contradictions aside, there is one spec that's a massive, undeniable win. It weighs just 1 single pound. That's about 200 grams. This really emphasizes how incredibly portable it is. If you've ever lugged around one of those heavy, traditional corded foggers, you know how tiring they can be on your arm. This one is specifically designed to fit comfortably in your hand so you don't get fatigued.
Also, just before we wrap up the specs, it's definitely worth mentioning that this device carries a Climate Partner certification on Amazon. That means the carbon emissions from the life cycle of this product were actually measured, reduced, and officially offset. So it's a really nice environmentally conscious bonus to add to your purchase.
All right, on to Section 4, what the customers say. Let's look at some real-world utility based on actual global ratings.
We always want to look beyond the manufacturer's hype. So looking at the 258 ratings, the overall consensus is incredibly positive. A massive 71% of buyers gave this a perfect 5-star rating, totally loving how effective and easy it is to use. However, there's a pretty vocal minority, about 14%, who gave it just 1 star. We're going to dig into both sides to understand the full picture.
So, the manufacturer's recommendation just vaguely says multiple surfaces. But when we read the customer reviews, the real-world utility totally comes to life. People are using this thing on dog crates,
kindergarten toys, hair salon tools, makeup bottles, and even blasting the insides of their fridges and microwaves. Let's check out a few of these specific stories. Take MK, for example. They run a doggy daycare and wrote, "Perfect for quickly disinfecting play areas, crates, and entryways without feeling bulky or tiring to use." This completely validates the manufacturer's claim about lightweight portability. When you're cleaning up after multiple dogs every single day, having a tool that weighs just 1 pound is an absolute game changer.
And that perfectly builds on another review from Sasha, a kindergarten teacher. She says it's ideal for keeping kids' room fresh and sanitized. The fine mist covers evenly without wasting solution. This really highlights why that ULV atomization tech matters so much. Because the mist is so fine, you use far less liquid cleaner to cover the exact same area, which is definitely going to save you money on expensive cleaning solutions over time.
And honestly, my favorite review has to be from Connie, who just seems to be having a blast with it. She wrote, "I used hypochlorous acid cleaner in it and attacked the microwave and the fridge. I sprayed everything. It is fun." And you know what? She's definitely not the only one. Several reviewers actually mentioned how this gadget makes a tedious chore surprisingly enjoyable.
But okay, we've got to address the elephant in the room. What about that 14% who gave it 1 star? Well, one frustrated Amazon customer wrote this. "Worked great the first week. Then, if left unused for a few days, it closes off and no longer works." And a lot of other negative reviews echoed this exact sentiment, saying the device just died after a few uses. This reveals a major recurring clogging issue that we need to talk about.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 5, the final verdict. To fog or not to fog?
When you put all this information together, the story makes total sense, especially regarding those negative reviews. See, buried right in the manufacturer's safety instructions is the literal secret to keeping this device alive. It explicitly says you must rinse the tank and straw after each use to prevent clogging. What likely happened to those unhappy customers is they left chemical cleaners sitting inside those tiny nano nozzles for days, which basically just glued them shut. So if you buy this, you absolutely must run clean water through it when you're done. And of course, always follow their advice to wear hand, eye, and breathing protection, and make sure to keep those electrical components completely dry.
Now, if you're still on the fence, it's really reassuring to know this is backed by Amazon's 30-day free return policy. If you try it out and the battery life doesn't match the specs, or you simply aren't a fan of the build quality, which a few reviewers did mention, you basically get a risk-free trial. You just go to your orders, pick a free shipping option, and drop it off. Super easy.
So, there you have it. We've demystified the ultrafine mist tech, navigated those slightly quirky spec discrepancies, and heard the real scoop from doggy daycares and frustrated buyers alike. This little gadget offers incredible cordless convenience, but it demands strict maintenance if you want to prevent it from clogging. So, cordless convenience or an overhyped mister? Which one will you choose for your space? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.